Greetings traders. In this video, we will review the price alerts feature in TopstepX. To set up a price alert, click on the alert icon at the top right of the platform. Then click on the gear to access the settings area. Here, you can choose options to hide the pop-up notifications automatically, to display the paused and active alerts on the chart, to confirm deletion of alerts, and to select the color of the alert label that will be shown on the chart. To create a price alert, click on Create Alert. Note that when you create an alert through this method, the value will be the price level at the time the alert was created, but it can easily be changed. You can also choose a different contract, choose being alerted when the price is crossing in both directions, or only when price is crossing up or down based on the price level in the value field. Setting the alert trigger to only once will pause the alert after it has been triggered. Setting it to every time, there is a 1-minute pause between each alert. You can choose how long you wish the alert to be active for, and select the type of notification you wish to receive. Click Create Alert and it will now show in the Alerts panel. From here, you can choose to delete the alert, edit it, or temporarily pause it. You will now see the alert displayed on your chart where you can choose to delete or move it to a new location. Another way to set a price alert is to simply right-click on the chart and the alert will be created at the selected price level. Once an alert is triggered, you will see the notification at the top right. It will also show in the log file, which you can clear at any time.